Heavy rain and potential hail threaten Buenos Aires, Argentina and surrounding areas as a new storm rolls in. The National Meteorological Service, SMN, has issued an orange alert, the second highest severity level, warning residents of the dangers posed by the incoming weather. Up to 100 millimeters of precipitation are forecast, raising concerns about potential flooding. The storm has already caused damage in Campana, a suburb northwest of Buenos Aires. Large hailstones pummeled the city of 100,000 inhabitants, denting cars and impacting crops. Residents are advised to take precautions as the storm intensifies. This may include securing outdoor furniture, staying vigilant of flood warnings, and having a plan to stay safe indoors if necessary.